Welcome to Explained. New videos every other Friday. This is a cardboard box. It's a pretty nice cardboard box. A cardboard box, in case you didn't know, is used for containing items. Like these clacker balls. Clacker balls were popular back in the 1970s as a noisemaker. What noise do they make? Something like this. Well, these cardboard boxes each contained one pair of clacker balls. There were 50,000 of these pairs. So, the US government legally sued 50,000 cardboard boxes, more or less, each containing one pair of clacker balls. But why? If you think you're getting a straight answer right now, you're gonna be disappointed. The video's not even halfway done. Well, to understand, you have to know how clacker balls are constructed. A clacker ball is made out of two plastic balls, each about the size of a large strawberry, but round instead. The two plastic spheres are attached to a string in which a person would slip in between their fingers. One would spin it around, and then it would make this noise. Harmless little toy, right? Wrong. Starting in the mid-1970s, stores started pulling these off of their shelves. Why? Because at high speeds, the plastic balls would shatter, and there were concerns that, if it shattered in a child's face, serious injury could befall them. But then again, the same argument could be used for virtually anything. You could throw a Rubik's Cube hard at someone's face and it would cause damage. So, in 1976, the United States wanted to classify these as mechanical hazards. Clacker balls became illegal. Subsequently, the US went all out on these defenseless clacker balls. All they had was the protection of their cardboard boxes. The cardboard boxes were labeled, "It's fun, test your skill, it bounces, it flips, count the hits." Since the cardboard boxes were containing the clacker balls, the government decided to sue the cardboard boxes too. Poor cardboard boxes. They met the wrath of the US government, with no one but a lawyer. Okay, maybe they're not that defenseless. On March 1st, 1974, the US government filed a complaint and the United States Marshal Service seized the property on March 5th. On April 16th, the property was claimed by Ace Novelty Co., and they filed a complaint to try and get their property back. They didn't get their property back. On November 27th, Ace Novelty Co. decided to file another complaint. However, they didn't fill out the forms properly. They should have used blue or black ink. On August 5th, 1975, the government ordered the company to submit the form, properly filled. The company filed it properly on August 7th, 1975. On March 23rd, 1976, the government didn't feel like returning the clacker balls, probably because all the judges were playing with them, and then they sued the clacker balls because they didn't feel like returning them. The clacker balls lost. The clacker balls were destroyed, and all clacker balls were classified as mechanical hazards. That was the end of the clacker balls. But how did the government sue an inanimate object? Can plastic and cardboard testify in court before a jury? No. This type of case is what's known as an in rem jurisdiction, which means a power over objects case. The more familiar case, a case like Bush versus Gore, is what's considered an in personam case, which means against a particular person. Now for some trivia. The judge deciding the case was Robert W. Warren, who went on to become the Attorney General of Wisconsin. His son-in-law was Jim Sensenbrenner, who was serving his 21st term in the US House of Representatives. This was the time the US legally sued 50,000 cardboard boxes. If you liked the video, press the like button. If you didn't like the video, press the dislike button twice, and then press the like button for good measure. Remember to subscribe and send this video to everyone in your contacts list. Thank you for watching Explained. New videos every other Friday.